Hi, in this video we are going to learn how can we keep top n including the duplicates. Okay, so let's suppose we have a data for employee and we have their score, and let me just show you that if I just see the score short and then descending, then you will see that I have 83 toys, 77 toys. So if I want to keep the top 3 including duplicates, I have to include these 5 records, right? And that is the topic of this video. Otherwise we could just do like, take this is my data and just keep the third one, right? So we could just keep like this. So that's not for this case because we want to keep all the duplicates as well. Okay, in that case that will be short, and this is my array. Short index is going to be my 2 and descending, and that's it. So in that case that will be wrong, right? So we have 83 toys for C and D, but we don't want to ignore this 77 as well. So we want to keep top n including the duplicates. So how can we do this? So very easy step is that we can just do sort D4 to D10, right? And then we are sorting this based on descending. We can find the unique like this, or actually we could just keep that sort outside. That way I don't need to sort the duplicates one. That will be a little bit faster. Hope that's okay. Okay, so we get that sorted number, and now we can just pick that third one, right? So index, and that is the third, and we get that number, the third largest number, 77, right? Now what we can do, we can just filter out this data set, right? And the condition is that choose columns, that is going to be second column is greater than or equals to this third one, and you can see we get that number 95, 83 toys, 77, right? So that is it. Now if I want to convert this into a lambda, what do we need to do? We need to just consider a little bit more that so the data that is going to be C4 to D10, and call index based on which I want to do this, keeping that top n, and n that is top n, that is top 3. Now what do we need to do? We just need to apply this here. So filter, instead of C4 to D10, that will be data, and choose column, that is going to be data, instead of 2 that is going to be call index, and this is going to be column, that same column index, right? I think I can just number, and I can just copy and that is going to be choose call, that is it, and third largest number, yep, third largest number, and let's see, I get the data, right? So now if I want to convert this into lambda, that will be lambda, take the data as a parameter, column index as well as n. So in that case I don't need any all of this. C4 to D10 is based on 2, and this is the, let's say if I want to specify the 2, that is n, and you can see that I have the top 2 performer, or I can just specify 3 and then we'll get top 3 including the duplicate ones. Now you may want that we want to keep only the top n, so in that case we can just use the take function. So that's it for this video. If you have any suggestion or if you have any alternative function, feel free to comment in this video. Have a good day.